These days, there's a day to celebrate everything. Take, for example, January 26th. It's National Peanut Brittle Day. So what do you do to celebrate? Well, we headed out to Northwest Houston to find out how it's made. Come on. Pat Griffin and her family have been making homemade peanut brittle for about 50 years now, based on a recipe taken from the back of a bag of peanuts. First, what do we have to do?
First, you must take your butter and butter the foil.
That's
I
good.
mean, too much butter? I don't think so. It's perfect.
And my next step is water in a pot?
Yes.
How
butter.
much?
1/3 cup. You need 2/3 cup of any light corn syrup. Doing good, Ernie.
Okay, next.
2 cups of sugar.
That works.
If you're concerned about your weight or you can't have sugar, you don't want peanut brittle.
Now, how long do I stir this for?
You're only going to stir till you kind of get it mixed up really good. A full teaspoon of soda, and now do 2/3 out of that same spoon. You're going to fill up the rest of the teaspoon with salt.
We're going to put this recipe down below so people can figure it out. 2 tablespoons butter.
And then slice little bits of the butter so that it's not one big giant lump.
Does that work for you?
That works.
Now, peanuts. How many peanuts?
A cup and a half. You don't want salted, roasted peanut. You
What kind
want
of peanut?
raw Spanish peanuts.
What are we doing over here? Is this still boiling
That's
away?
boiling.
We let it boil? Stir? Don't stir?
You can stir.
When do we know that this is ready?
You will dip your spoon in, and you will run a thin line. You see how
Like
it goes
wisps,
up? Yes.
yes.
You see that?
Yes.
Okay. Once it comes up, then you know you add the peanuts. And after that, if your phone rings, the only thing that you would leave for is probably a home invasion or a house fire.
Once those peanuts are in there, you do not stop.
You do not stop.
If you care about your children,
Yeah.
you can break for that. But-
Yeah, you're a good stirrer.
So at least we know I have a future in stirring pots.
You do. The key is to pull them off before they get really dark and not before they're cooked.
Yeah, it's darkening.
And then you're going to put in the soda and you're going to mix it. And then you're going to put in that butter. And then when you're sure that's mixed, you're going to pour it out.
Oh, this is going to
And,
be a
and
mess.
don't keep stirring it if you can keep from it.
Just
There you go.
pushing
You're
it
doing,
out.
yeah, just push it out.
These two have been here probably for about an hour. We just get it ready to break. Pretty easy.
How do we do this?
We're gonna peel this off.
Can't I just drop it?
You can, but that's it. That's all it takes.
That's the best part.
It's the best part, yeah.
I'm concerned about this batch. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to check yours.
Perfect.
Yep.
It'll work? Okay, good.
Happy Peanut Brittle Day, everybody. Thanks for
Brittle.
watching.